Hi, just a quick one again. Well, they always are. Just me and Isabella. Everyone else is off busy doing stuff. I just wanted to say, if anyone's got any questions or want to ask me anything at all about the situation I was in with Isabella and Rosie, or pregnancy related questions, or mum questions, or baking, or anything like that, just let me know and I'll answer them as best I can. But yeah, I'm really open with everything. I'm not one to hide away sort of thing. So yeah, if anyone's got any questions they want to ask, I'm quite open and honest about everything. So yeah, it'd be nice to hear your questions.